baby.
To go along with houses are most successful when local volunteers like yourselves are the ones having conversations with families. You know what girls' opportunities from schools in late July and early August. We will then send any opportunities your way via Sign Up Genius links in early August. Then to cover these shifts, we sent out when we could. So just about opportunities and events that we participate
I don't know if I want you doing all that. Are you gonna bite it off?
Will be sent to you in an email before you attend your event.
Receive an email welcoming them and asking them about interest in leading within a few days of registering. If there are fewer than 3 members in the forming
Indy Bear is having breast milk oatmeal cereal. Probably the 3rd time, 4th time she's had it. But she likes it. Indy Bear, is it good? Is it yummy? We're chilling here on Father's Day 2004. 2024. That's wild. How do you feel?
Like the best day ever, like your heart said.
I was out of focus. Andy, how do you feel about Father's Day? Bowden, how do you feel about Father's Day?
So his 10th year is my son. I didn't see any gifts from you though.
I'm slipping. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. You know you can put stuff on that spoon. You drop your spoon? Indy's going for her 6-month appointment. Half a year. Indy, how do you feel about it? That means I'm so excited. I'm really glad to have this opportunity to go check in with my pediatrician.
It could also be, I don't want to get a shot.
Indy, are you gonna get a shot? That's what mommy looks like. I'm into scarf life right now. Because my hair is falling out and I'm doing loop-de-loops. Culo. Yeah, I mean his ass.
Glow. Yeah, Glow. It's only 2 words I know in this whole song.
Yeah, here I go. Do you have anything to say, Indy baby? So get this camera out of my face. Indy baby, I don't know how I feel about Chichu on that metal part. That's the part that I think is dangerous. But she's concentrating so much on it. This will be Indy's first time trying sweet potato. Okay. Now tell me your honest opinion. Alexa, volume 2, please. Okay. If you don't like it, it's okay. You know? But I'll never forgive you. You know, it's awkward with the camera in your face, huh? Indy, why? I don't know know if she likes it. It's new. This is very new. It's savory. It's not sweet like some other things. Got different consistency.
Maybe time.
My favorite, just get in there, you know? Get in there. I should get the stuff that makes the bowl stick on the thing, because she's about to throw this thing. It's yummy. Try some. You can take it out of the bowl too. You don't have to eat the whole bowl, but you know, you learn however you need to learn. She turned 6 months May 30th. Today is June 22nd, so you're almost 7 months. 8 more days. So far, Indy, you've tried blueberry, strawberry, watermelon, carrots, a little bit of egg. You had a Starbucks feta egg white wrap, just a few bites. What else has she eaten? She's eaten some pureed pouches, pre-made pouches and bottles. I forgot all the combinations of those. You've had baby oatmeal with breast milk and some banana, but you did not like the banana. You definitely can't touch this. Pear core and apple core and some tangerines. You've tasted ketchup before. Yeah, we're continuing. I think she likes him. I mean, it looks like a war zone. But she doesn't hate the taste of sweet potato. I put cinnamon, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and a little bit of salt. Okay, well, we'll try a different food a different day. Indy, we're gonna get on that. Are you scared? Look at India, mommy. Is that fun? Yeah.
Igualago. Ndidi. Ojika. Ode. Abo ojika tabuole. Maguruguru, maguruguru.
Indy, get up.
Get up.
Get up. You can roll up. Indy, get up. Get
up. Cái này bị bờ cái chỉ cờ gì, cái này bị bờ mua gan, mới cái rồi kia bờ mấy này bờ lấy cả cái gì.
And you gotta move eventually.
Ojika. Để cái đó nó bị cái lo vậy. Đi. Ojika, lo ba bài. Ở đây à?
We're
cái
chilling.
bạn cái mua cái mua ra chế nào chế nhớ cả chỉ có thế để số về đây mẹ kì ở về đây quỷ ác sẵn rồi chứ cả
My sisters.
boo
I gotta figure out if my dad's coming too. So my dad's gonna want us probably stay at Mike's.
Adam she's your cousin. She's your cousin.
You share your toy?
He's like, why is she yelling?
She knows how to press the red button.
I gotta, ooh, that's what I do. I gotta call.
Boo!
Because
Boo!
I haven't approved my maternity leave yet, and I know why.
What?
Oh, because I gotta go. Can I taste it? Can I eat it? Is this food? Nah. Because how do you wash wet hats, right?
I don't know. Ask Matt.
Right? You just soak it in water. I would soak it right there, dry, right? You soak it in water that has laundry detergent in it, and then the dirt just comes off. But also, I guess.
Yeah, there's still plastic on the cake.
No, we don't all
You are not in charge of the party. Ross, please give a speech. Don't tell him what to do.
I'm excited to watch him become the great father he's going to be.
I'm so grateful that he's here alive today and celebrating our
29.
29th birthday.
He's an old man.
Happy birthday, Lucinda. I love you. You're very unbelievable. I like how you show up for me always. I like how you show up for your family members. I like your heart.
Happy
Only your nest.
I feel as if you know a lot of my personality and interests and hobbies stem from my older siblings, most of which may be you. A great older brother, and you know, many years in the past that I've enjoyed, and many in the future that will be even better. So we'll see you there. It's your birthday.
It's a full circle of life, you know. Not to say that he was a bad kid, but he's trying to help those kids that are less fortunate, just get them ready for life. So anything you do, I think you'll prosper and be well, and anything you choose in life. Cheers.
I love all of the Ojika kids who are no longer kids at all, but Krishna, you are such a wonderful part of this family of 7. We appreciate you and all the times that you can just come around giving nice little gifts to the kids and just very family oriented.
Uchenna was the quintessential younger brother. Really tested me and made me grow and helped me understand the world better. Everyone that I know has ever known you loves you, and you just have so many people who surround you in your life because of who you are, what you bring to people's lives. You add a lot of love and into people's lives, and people really, really, really care about you. And so I love you no matter how much you tested me in my life and everything, and you keep me on my toes, and you keep me always wondering and learning something new and how to interact with people. So I appreciate you and love you, and we're so grateful for you and happy birthday.
I never really get a chance to thank you and your brothers for being so welcoming to me and your whole family. The last 4 or 5 years have been wonderful. I do appreciate it. You gave a really heartfelt speech at our wedding. I never got to thank you for that. We do appreciate it. And I think I agree with everyone's sentiment that you got big, positive energy. I think it's going to take you far in life, and I'm looking forward to being a small part of it.
I'm happy to see you grow up, being a man, taking responsibilities. I will say happy birthday, Uchenna. I don't know what to say. Uchenna is he has helped me. He's the one that tells me the way it is. Stop yelling, stop screaming, stop this, stop that, calm down. Uchenna, I love you so much.
He's right.
I'm gonna the purpose for your life.
Really hard year. But being surrounded by people like this in a small community just makes it so much easier.
Do another pose.
Johnny, my